Sia munimo kase Akofena twa Kantanka ye na ye ne memende be ya 30th any 31st na ona Adwoa Safo ehye no se ansan ye be kenka o papa wole de mentemi ho ase tututu oba ye na omunyina anuafo nyina konte ase kwadwen krom se omu pene so obi ate ase eme kenkan emeritus apostle Kwadwo Safo Kantanka nei wonya ne baby kwa ya ama na chai basa ne wole wia anuafo nyina be kan bom omu be kan bom ama ensam a omu papa apostle Kwadwo Safo Kantanka kan woni wo mu no omu aye ne sa pepepe na afi omu kan bom akope omu papa korabre nanso yesan se Adwoa Safo ankoyi ama na sa anko se de openti no waye tintiniti waye na adwen se omma ayie ne nyedai o papa ayie ne beye basa na afa bia wususu no ensama agi ntwitra ha efri kotwi ekopembre man se on the 30th of this month July 2026 and the 31st July 2026 yede apostle Kwadwo Safo Kantanka ebetompem ni adeda no ama ejamfo ni adofo abehwe nani achi no obi a obeti se bia no enya no kresan se adua na ebusua ya papa apostle Kwadwo Safo Kantanka free mu baaye no abusua panyini si wo onhye ye date bia Christo asafo elders of council enso te wo omunhye ye date bia enti se wotena botin so se ye date bi betwe abemben anase nche ye be ya apostle Kwadwo Safo Kantanka ya enya no kre abusua na wotie nsam a Akofena yedenu edi apostle Kwadwo Safo Kantanka dia na se odom ena ebefa Christo asafo no edi na kobosha asase na na se kospembra onu so awade beto nsafre no utie ne nkasa ye wotim se yes areho eni ni suo ase na komemu ma eye monhwe TV oba so afansa bo subscribe button ni so no wa like video yi na afa wo do adwen hwe na ba na wa share amodofo bi enya bi ahwe
ada obi bia ase oba enadwumadi ase mende na sekese ebema eye mempanyimfo dedi kan mfama eye mo nsemtwerofo say within the short notice na ye frame no motumi aboa mo ho maba papanya mi nhyeramo. Let me begin by expressing my sincere appreciation to all members of the media for honoring this invitation at short notice. I recognize that this press conference was convened within a very little advance notice. However, the circumstances surrounding recent developments have made it necessary for me to address the nation without delay, and I am grateful for the presence. I have convened this press conference today in my dual capacity as the head of the Kantanka family and the leader of Christo Asafo Mission of Ghana to provide clarity on matters concerning the burial and final funeral rites of our beloved father, Apostle Professor Emeritus Kwadwo Safo. Recent developments have generated uncertainty, speculation, and misinformation in the public domain. It has therefore become my duty and responsibility to address these matters openly and truthfully. Why am I addressing the nation? It pains me deeply to discuss matters relating to my family and the church in the public domain. Traditionally, such matters ought to be resolved privately through dialogue, mutual respect, and established family and customary processes. However, circumstances beyond my control have compelled me to speak publicly in order to protect the truth, preserve the dignity of our late father, and provide clarity to the many people who continue to seek guidance on these matters. Efforts made to achieve family unity since the passing of my beloved father, I, together with the members of the Biana Kotoko royal family that are seated with me here, have made every reasonable effort to bring all members of the family together in unity so that we could accord him a dignified and befitting burial. Regrettably, despite these efforts, we have not been able to achieve the level of unity and consensus necessary to proceed in the manner we had hoped. Personal reconciliation initiatives on my part, I have personally undertaken several, initiatives to promote reconciliation and foster unity among my siblings, including my big sister, Honorable Adwoa Safo, with the sole objective of ensuring that our father's final journey will be marked by peace, harmony, and mutual respect. In pursuit of this objective, I reached out not only to members of the immediate family, but also sought the intervention and counsel of respected church elders, family heads, chiefs, queen mothers, and other eminent traditional leaders. These efforts were undertaken in good faith and with a genuine commitment to preserving family unity and safeguarding the legacy of our late father. Outcome of the reconciliation efforts, unfortunately, despite these numerous interventions and goodwill efforts, the desired reconciliation had not been achieved. This has been deeply disappointing, particularly in view of the values of unity, humility, and reconciliation that our father exemplified throughout his life. The last will and testament following the reading of our father's will, which was led by Honorable Adwoa Safo herself. Normally, we know that yes, ye obi and sana sebe ye bie ne wela no. I expected that the wishes and directives clearly expressed by our late father would be faithfully implemented, but regrettably, in my view, the implementation of those wishes has not proceeded in the manner contemplated by the will. In particular, the Kantanka family was not given custody of the mortal remains of the late father, notwithstanding the provisions of the will. This, together with other matters in which, in my view, the wishes expressed by our late father had not been honored, has further complicated efforts to achieve unity and consensus regarding his burial and funeral rites. Then now yes ya adwene say ye kan papa no ewolwia assembly obeka bia efim resati na asemba e media ni bia ni wa obetima kase wate manum asemda nti mo am kotwen se yenko kan will no ye kan will no papa nanum asem anko sene obi pese be konti no still ye gusu gina bibia gina entro ene nada ene mfuto ye tugu amanfo ni egusu ekoso. Consequently, my family and I have instructed our solicitors, Kwame Jan and Associates, led by the eminent Professor Kwame Jan, Esquire, to commence the necessary legal proceedings to seek appropriate relief from the courts and to ensure that the wishes expressed in our late father's will and testament are given full legal effect. This decision has taken with great reluctance and only after exhausting every reasonable avenue for any amicable resolution. I appeal to members of Adwoa Safo Mission of Ghana and the public. I therefore urge all members of Adwoa Safo Mission of Ghana, members of the Kantanka family, our sympathizers, and all relevant stakeholders to remain calm, exercise restraint, and continue to uphold the values of peace, unity, respect that our late father cherished throughout his lifetime. I respectfully appeal to everyone to refrain from taking any unilateral decision or action circulating verified information that may undermine the ongoing legal process or further deepen the divisions within the family. I have every confidence that the courts will ensure that justice is served and that the wishes expressed by our late father are duly respected. It is our collective responsibility not to allow our differences to overshadow the extraordinary legacy of a man whose life was dedicated to faith, innovation, industrialization, national development, and service to humanity. It is my earnest hope that wisdom, understanding, and a shared commitment to honoring our father's memory will ultimately prevail. Assuring and closing remarks that I gave us, I assure all members of Kwadwo Safo Mission, the Kantanka family, our sympathizers, and the good people of Ghana, that every lawful and appropriate effort will continue to be made to ensure that Apostle Professor Emeritus Adwoa Safo is accorded a befitting burial in accordance with his wishes, the customs of the family, and all applicable customary and legal requirements. In conclusion, I wish to thank all Ghanaians, friends of Kwadwo Safo Mission, and members of the media for your continued patience, understanding, and support during this difficult period. I ask for your prayers as we seek a peaceful, lawful, and honorable solution that will preserve the dignity and the legacy of our beloved father. Mesre Obibia say, Asimbia Ekoso, a year da bia da abontini. Bia ni wonoma, I urge the members of Kwadwo Safo, the nation, to disregard any date via anasadie bia Ekoso. The Santi Kotoko family ayete hanam no. Emu bia ni wonoma edi date bia ba abontin, ebushapanyi nie, no of anomunsu nie. Ohemechia, Asori no Council of Elders, the body awa Asori no more, omu the mandate, omutumi yi the next leader ewo Asori no no, omu nyina ewa ha. Every region bia penyini ye from the regional council chairman, every single person will have secretaries in memekuo yoka. As MC ne boss so ewa hanamo. Date bia kwa bontin bia no, I stand on my authority as the Kantanka family head and the leader of Kwadwo Safo say, Muntu date bia bontin bia engu bibisa bia eni honomo. There will be no burial held on the 30th of this July. May God bless you all. Thank you. Amin Shamo. Mirefi Adiebako. Me mayada eye Ghana Police Service for ewo Bible kesiye omodi amayen ene dey ewo ha edomasi bibri emse ye na ya tititi de ekoso enframa emu mesres obiansi anka na kuma ento ne yam de ekoso mama ye din nyina ne se mbapati ase no abusua bia ensembum asori bia ensembum ensomo behwa efi emra papa efri mu afi de Kwadwo Safo adani social media church ehona obia sori a ode na de ekokoto asori bia wo wiase ewo ni foundations a omugina so de ye asori baby asebe sene wo kosere wunyam ye ode adekro no ema wo no you have rules and regulations a ewo ho ye de it is stated clearly ewo your constitution mu say asori no does not involve or engage adebi ekoso ya asori mu ewo social media. There were disciplinary committees ewo asori no ma asembia ba ewo at the branch level, district level, national level. But then people are omo asori no ma omo shut down contribute to anything in the church. People who are displeased with certain church processes and etuadi eye minua ba panyini echi a omo no echo. The sad part of this ni na so ne say the said 30th initially yempanyi 14 say asumdwe beba. Even we were willing to forgo the wishes of the old man. Sat down, say, 30th no, yenina yenshia ninyese, yenyese. Nyen konkonko ye what that say, ye started 25th and tentam. Mu pia de ko share 30th. Yen konko she papa mum keke. Besine na obi gina ha. Ana so bi tiase. Ana wudi akire. Na se weja e free mu close to bear to sell. 1 year in na wumfa wani krotia enkonko hwe no a mo ankasa me to de mamu munya no me da mose disi amunyi mi nanu mbiem o me ma enti me ma no e ko yanim no me frɛ eye me ba me ma na aka no abusuan so e beka me ho ne afrɛ me ba panyini eye Adwoa Safo na de wo hobia ye no maka ye mpese ye nsem ba baby sei sisi amunyi mi nuanom o ye me ma